Welcome to this little video where I would like to speak to you about the importance of system design and problem solving in the AI era. In the AI era, it's more than ever important to master well system design and problem solving because AI does so much. But you have to know, first of all, how to use AI. Windows context, like how good is your prompt, all of the context the AI agent needs to know. For instance, when you are using the context management, so the window context of, okay, this is the application, this is what we have to do. And in my case, I always have another window, another monitor with ChatGPT, which is kind of my body, my software architect, where I mention the context a little bit my product owner helper. I am the product builder, but I do help. I do get help with ChatGPT for a few things I don't really know where to go. If in my case I need to do research, I will use either ChatGPT or Perplexity, and then I would use the agent. In my case, I use Cloud Code at the moment. Before I was using OpenAI Codex, and I create some specific custom agents. You have / agent, and then you can go to new agent, and then you can generate with also with AI with Cloud Code the what the agent should do. So you say, okay, this is an agent that has to debug, and the agent needs to know this, and that, and blah, blah, blah. And then you can have sub agents that will be managed by the main agent. And this is how you build a whole software, a complex web application, for instance. But then, if you know very well system design, if you know solid principle, like solid stands for single responsibility, open, close, principle. So you have S is for single responsibility, O is for open close principle, L is for the discover substitution. Was it that way? That one, yeah. And then I is for interface segregation, and then D is for dependency inversion. And the solid principle is also, it helps you to build a better and stronger and more solid architecture, like code base for your application. And by doing that, you will be faster. Of course, you can ask ChatGPT, you can ask other resources, but when you know it, you will just be faster and you will prompt a better prompt. So you will write a better prompt thanks to your knowledge. Same with system design. So when you know well system design, algorithm, patterns, when you know exactly what kind of design pattern to use, you will be much more efficient at building really good and robust applications for you, for the company you work for. And then when you are a product-centric engineer and you always think about why we should build this, is it really beneficial for the end user? Do the end user really need it? Or maybe they just don't need it. Why to make it complicated? And why to build this like we want a password reset? Is it really needed? Is that the main reason why the user goes to our app or to our platform? No. To reset a password is just, a utility. And so to not have a reset password in the settings, but just to have forgotten password for when you are logged out, it's enough. And this is how OpenAI did it as well, because you don't use OpenAI because it's amazing with the settings. You use OpenAI because it's the best LLM. And to reset your password with OpenAI platform, you don't have an option in your account when you are logged in. You have to log out, and then you have to say, I forgot my password, and they will send you a link to reset your password. But you cannot change your password once you're logged in. You see? Because it doesn't matter. It's not needed. And this is the same for you. It's easy to focus too much time and too much energy and defocus ourselves on features that don't matter. That is not the main goal why the user comes to our platform. We always have to remember what can have the maximum impact for the minimum effort. maximum impact for the minimum effort is the MCP principle, where we can build something with a minimum impact, with a minimum effort, and where we know that we, it, it will very likely not add any bugs, any breaking changes, but it will give the maximum impact for the user. So maximum impact, minimum effort, and minimum breaking changes. That's the main goal in today's era, in the AI era. And this is how we build beautiful, amazing, product-centric applications. And always think about why we should do that. Is it really needed? Instead of only thinking about the what? Okay, I'll build that now. No, and for the future, is it really needed? Maybe we need that now, but maybe in the future it will be irrelevant. So when we are thinking about product-centric first, why? And you know very well system design, you know very well problem solving, design patterns, algorithm, yes and no. Again, AI can help, but it's always good to have solid principles. Then you will be an amazing AI engineer. And if you know quite well Python, Rust, and TypeScript, you are amazing. Happy AI building product journey, and we will all become product builders, like really. Software engineers, the title will very soon be product builders. See you in another one.